Excavation installation and setup. Begin digging if necessary and position the machine so the bucket can be set to the desired finished elevation. Set the bucket in the position that grade will be checked. Fully open or retracted is an easily repeated position. Ensure the dipper arm is plumb. Set up the laser in an appropriate location for safety and efficient machine operation. Turn the laser on. Mount the magnetic mount on the dipper arm to ensure the laser will strike the receiver when installed. Turn the top and bottom mounting knobs counterclockwise until the mounting claps in the back of the receiver open enough to fit around the mounting pole. Place the receiver on the pole, ensuring the face of the receiver is in line with the dipper arm movement. Press the power button to turn on the receiver. If available, ensure the receiver is in the excavating mode and plumb indication is on. These and additional settings are explained in the following sections. Slide the receiver up and down the mounting pole to make sure the laser beam will strike the receiver. Ideally, you should be able to move the receiver far enough in either direction to use the entire reception range, receiving all the grade displays and out-of-beam indicators. Adjusting the height of the laser may be necessary. Select the fine accuracy or narrowest on-grade width. Move the receiver up or down until the green on-grade LEDs are solid. Turn the knobs clockwise to tighten the clamps. Ensure a green on-grade is still being indicated. Let's get to work.